Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your X or your Twitter app that you cannot change your email. And if you are currently experiencing that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my X app and instead I actually went into my settings app on my phone. So now in your settings app, what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down and then you're going to click on general. So click on general, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. So in here, just scroll down and click on storage and just wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. So we're just going to keep waiting in here and then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top and click on it. Then search for just X and click on the X app and then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds until it actually says this blue button here again, as you can see, and just click on it and just simply wait for your X app to completely update to its latest version. Because actually what I did myself is that I updated this one to my latest version, so I had to wait about basically 1 to 2 minutes until it was done, and when it was done I was now able to actually update my email. So try this and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.